lovelies, it's Odette. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing well. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming in for another video today. I am always happy to bring you guys videos every single week, Wednesdays or Sundays. As long as your notifications are turned on, you will be notified every time I upload a video, okay? And I really hope you guys are all doing absolutely fantastic in your lives, and you're doing well, and you're happy, and you're mentally positive, and all of that wonderful good stuff. And so today we are going to be testing out a product. This is from Rare Beauty. This is a positive light tinted moisturizer. Okay, and this shade is 44M. So I haven't used this yet. You guys would have seen this on my Instagram page. I think it's already featured on sassyover55.com. And this is the product right here. Nice little packaging. Okay, have not used this before, but we are going to test it out today and see how this is going to work for my skin. I don't know. My skin is nicely cleared up, and I'm really happy with the way my skin is looking right now. And of course, let me put a little bit of this on this brush, and we are going to see what the damage is. It seems to be pretty much light. Oh, doesn't look too bad. Let's just take a minute to blend this out. Wow, this is really nice. So I'm just going to take a minute, and we are just going to continue blending all over the face. All right, well, I am royally impressed with this tinted moisturizer. I am actually very happy. This blends nicely into my skin, and I'm hoping the lighting is not too bright because of course I'm using my phone, but I'm looking at myself in the mirror right here. This is looking really good. It blended out so quickly, nice and even on my skin. Slightly tinted moisturizer, maybe just a little touch on my forehead again. So we're just going to put just a little bit on, because of course you guys know that I don't put too many things on my face. Okay, so my first impression is this. This is a very nice tinted moisturizer. Blends nicely into my skin, and it's nice and light. I think you can build this up. I really do. So I'm going to go in now with my Face Italia powder. You guys know I swear by this powder. I do like it. So here it is. I'm just going to shake it a little bit so I can have some in the cover. And we are just going to powder my face. Wow, so that looks pretty good. So I'm just going to take a brush and just remove any excess from my face. I absolutely love this powder. And so to be honest with you guys, my skin feels so nice and light right now. This is a beautiful tinted moisturizer from Rare Beauty. Again, 44N is my shade. Absolutely love this. Absolutely fantastic. This looks great. So I'm going in with some blush, and this blush is from Boohoo, a beautiful soft pinky rose shade, which I do like. And I'm just going to take a very small brush, and I'm just going to keep this right up here. just right to the temple, and just like so. Just a hint of color. And just on top of that, I'm gonna go in with my Naji Cosmetics blush. It's called Goldfish, okay? And I'm just gonna put a little bit of that right there, just in the temple area. I don't even have to fake a smile for this. It just goes right there. That is nice. And of course, I do love my Sigma switch, and I can just remove any blush or powder from the brush and I can use it again. And there we go. So we are going to be doing something with the lips now, and I feel like doing something red. Let me just find a red lipstick. Now this one is from MAC. Your girl is blind as a bat, so I'm going to leave this in the description box for you. This is it right here. Beautiful, gorgeous red. And we're just gonna go in. I love this red lipstick. It's really, really, really pretty. And of course, I'm gonna go in with my lip liner from Becca. This is called Fun. Love this red lip liner. It is gorgeous. There we go. Love this red lip liner. It is so cute. The lipstick, again, I'm going to leave the name down below for you guys. Very pretty. Love that. So this is my blood powder from Revlon. So I'm just going to go in with a little bit of this. And this is just going to help to remove any shine from my face. Again, taking the same brush because I've dusted off. And I'm just going to tap the forehead if there is any shine anywhere. Just slightly over the brows. Down my nose. And there we be. So we're just going to set everything. This is from Annabelle. This is a Perfect Fit setting spray. I always like to put a little spritz on the back of my hand. So we are going to pull the hair down and we're going to come back with this finished look. Back in a second. Just making sure the hair is in place, and there we go. So this is the finished look of the makeup, my friends, and today I was testing out the Positive Light tinted moisturizer from Miss Selena Gomez from Ray Beauty. 44N is my shade. If you do have my skin tone, this is for you. And I'm really proud that, you know, people like Selena Gomez, you know, you've diversified your color ranges for dark skin ladies. That is very important because listen, black ladies, dark skin ladies, brown skin people buy your makeup too, okay? So I'm really, really happy that, you know, you guys are diversifying your color ranges to fit our skin tone. And I'm really proud of that, and congratulations. And of course, this is 44N. And if you do, again, if you do have my skin tone, this is for you. This is a lovely light tinted moisturizer. My skin feels nice and light, does not feel heavy, does not feel tacky or sticky, or does not feel like my pores are clogged. Because of course, I don't go in with too many things on my face to begin with, okay? But I do love this product, yes, and I have approved it. It's going to be featured on sassiover55.com, and there we go. So we are going to leave it here for today, and I do hope you guys enjoy this video. Everything that I use on my face is going to be down in the description box. Again, this is 44N, and this is a Positive Light tinted moisturizer, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and please come back next week for another video. Thank you for watching, and toodles.